Hey everybody, welcome to Shimi's Kitchen with me, Shamala. Today I'll be showing you how I make kheema shakshuka. It's a very simple dish that is easy to cook and typically served for brunch or breakfast and can be eaten straight out of the pan. I love to serve it with crusty bread or rotis. So let's see the process. Heat a skillet with 3 tablespoons olive oil. Add 1 large finely chopped onion. Saute till it becomes translucent. Add 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. Saute for few minutes until fragrant. Goes in 1 finely chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon chaat masala. Cook for an additional minute. To this I am adding 1 cup tomato paste. You can also add 2 chopped tomatoes. Saute for 2 minutes until it becomes mushy. And now I am going to add 200 grams of kheema. Give this a very good mix. Finely chopped coriander leaves. Add some water. And now I'm going to close the lid and cook for 10 minutes. Stir occasionally. Once done, now crack an egg on top of the kheema. I'm using 5 eggs. Sprinkle some salt and close the lid for few seconds. Sprinkle some red chili flakes and some crushed black pepper powder. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes in a low flame. And now cover and cook for another 5 to 10 minutes over low to medium heat until the eggs are almost cooked. Once done, serve hot immediately with roti or bread. This easy shakshuka is made with eggs that are gently poached in a simmering mixture of tomatoes, onions, kheema, a few warm spices and some fresh herbs. Perfect and satisfying one skillet dish is ready to serve for breakfast, lunch or dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Give a big thumbs up below and do try this and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon. See you with more such amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.